Hello on the new video. Today we will again focus on geometric tolerances and look specifically at positional tolerances. Let's start with the symmetry tolerance. Symmetry tolerance is the largest permissible deviation of symmetry, which is given by the distance between two parallel planes with respect to the base, as you can see in this figure. The symmetry plane of the groove must lie in the symmetry tolerance zone bounded by two parallel planes separated by the symmetry tolerance value and placed symmetrically to the plane of the symmetrical basic element A. Concentricity tolerance is an area in a given plane bounded by a circle whose diameter is equal to the concentricity tolerance and whose center lies on the base axis, as you can see in this figure. The ACS modifier in this figure expresses an attributary cross-section of a dimensional element. You can see the concentricity tolerance in the exact cross-section in this figure. Alignment tolerance is the largest distance between the axis of the considered rotating surface and the axis of the base surface, as you can see in this picture. The location tolerance is the position tolerance and applies to the location of the point, the nominal straight line, and the surface of the nominal plane, that is the center of the sphere, the axis of the hole or shaft, and the center plane of the groove, as you can see in these figures. And this is another figure, as you can see here. If it is not straight lines, or if the tolerance surface do not lie in a plane, the position tolerance of any line or any surface is used, as you can see in this picture. So much for geometric position tolerance today. In the next video we will look at Reynolds tolerances. I wish you a nice day and see you next time. Bye.